Setting up a QLOCOM Wi-Fi extender involves simple steps for configuration, login, resetting, and updating its firmware. Here's a comprehensive guide. Let's start. First, start the QLOCOM Wi-Fi extender setup using WPS method. For this, plug in the QLOCOM extender into a power outlet. Wait for the power LED to stabilize. Press the WPS button on your router for 5 to 10 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the QLOCOM extender. Wait for the extender's LED to indicate a successful connection. Now, place the QLOCOM extender where you need better coverage, ensuring it's within the range of your router's signal. Now, start the web interface setup of QLOCOM Wi-Fi extender device. Here you need to plug the QLOCOM extender into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, tablet, or computer and connect to the QLOCOM extender's network. Open a web browser and enter the extender's default IP address 192.168.10.1 the web address bar. Then log in using the default credentials. The default username and password is admin. After login to QLOCOM Wi-Fi extender, follow the on-screen instructions. Here you need to select your home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Enter your router Wi-Fi password to connect with extender. After connection, save the settings and wait for the QLOCOM Wi-Fi extender to reboot. Place the extender in a location where the signal is strong but closer to the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. For further assistance, contact QLOCOM's support team or contact the toll-free number.